resulting lesions is referred as infarct. Due to the lack of oxygen, necrosis, lesions are appear, death of tissues, then these are called as infarct. Etiology, the etiology can be thromboembolism or atherosclerotic plate, then mechanical obstruction like volvulus, hernia, tumor, and vasoconstriction due to cocaine leading to MI. Means all the obstructions only: vasoconstriction due to cocaine, mechanical obstruction, hernia tumor, and then thromboembolism or atherosclerotic plate. Then morphology of infarction. What is morphology? How does it look like? External structures. The infarction will be classified histopathologically into two types according to the amount of blood present and by localization. So firstly, the morphology of infarction according to the amount of blood present. It will be white infarct or anemic infarct and red infarct or hemorrhagic infarct. The white infarct or anemic infarct, it affects the solid organs such as spleen and kidney, wherein the solidity of tissues limit the amount of nutrients like blood, oxygen, glucose that can flow into the areas of ischemic necrosis. Means here what it will affect the anemic infarction will occur. It will due to the amount of blood present. If white blood cells are more and RBCs are less, then they will affect the solid organs. Anemic infarct, it will affect the solid organs such as spleen, kidney. Means the red blood cells will be very less. Solid organ like spleen, kidney, wherein the solidity of the tissues limits the amount of nutrient, and the amount of nutrients will be also limited like blood, oxygen, glucose, and that can flow in the area of ischemic necrosis. So blood will be very less with less amount of nutrients, so it will cause ischemic necrosis leading to white infarction. Then the second one is red infarction or hemorrhagic infarct. It generally affects the lungs of other loose organs like testes, intestinal and ovary. Intestines and ovary. The occlusion consists of more fibrine strands, red blood cells. It means here red blood cells are more and nutritious, but there it is less, and more lungs will be affected and more loose organs will be there affected. Here the infarction is exactly the myocardial infarction, like you can see how it appears grossly and how it appears microscopically. By localization, it is various types: heart MI, brain, cerebral infarction, lung, pulmonary or lung infarction, spleen, splenic infarction, bone infarction leading to avascular necrosis, and testicles caused by testicular torsion. So by localization, these are of 6 types: heart MI, then brain, cerebral infarction, lung, pulmonary or lung infarction, spleen or splenic infarction, bone will be bone infarction which will lead to avascular necrosis, and testicular caused by the testicular torsion. So up to here the disease condition is given. The next disease I will discuss in next video. Thank you, class.